Hi, and today we're going to take a look at making a Windows Mobile 6.1 phone work with your SIP-based IP PBX. Alright, we're going to take a look at a IP Windows Mobile phone here. Just switch over there. Alright, and you'll download a small tool that will modify your phone slightly, and once again you do this at your own risk, but the little configuration tool, then we go ahead and we enter in the name that you want to give this phone. I just typed in PBX, and the PBX phone IP addresses could be your public IP address if it's set up correctly, and then your username and password. Then we go ahead and click sorry, you scroll down here, we click save. Okay, now it's configured, so we can close out of there. Now we go back to our main screen, and you notice we have a Wi-Fi connection. We have AT&T currently, but right below that, it's going to have a new thing on your today screen, and that is the name that we gave our PBX. We just named it PBX, and it says it's selected. So that means that currently, if we use the Windows Mobile phone, it will use our PBX to make calls, and we can test that. I'm just going to dial this phone. We have extension 175, so I'm going to dial that. 175. And we notice we have an incoming call, and you can hear that. Alright, we hung up on that phone. So now what we can do is we can also make outgoing calls. And we'll just jump in here into the phone. Alright, and we'll notice if we jump into the Windows Mobile phone, there's a couple things we'll notice. Up here at the top it says PBX to let us know it's not on AT&T, but we're on Wi-Fi, and we are using the PBX. And here's the missed call, so we're just going to call that phone back, and we're going to call him. And now we're calling, and you can hear the phone is calling, and that's using our IP PBX. So we'll close that, and we'll go back to the desktop screen. Now it's really easy to switch between your cell phone and your Windows PBX just by clicking selected or the PBX, and now it says available. It means that your PBX is available to you, but it's not using it. It's going to use AT&T. And if we switch over to the phone, excuse me there. If we switch over to the phone, we would see it say AT&T up at the top corner. So Windows Mobile as a SIP phone, it makes a very nice little package. There are a couple things that I did notice. One of the things that I noticed as I was using it is that the volume was very low on my IP 910. Another thing that I did notice was it seems to lose, like let's say you have a Wi-Fi connection, you're connected to your PBX, and if my iPad goes into power save mode and comes out again, you have to reset the connection. So I'll try to post a link to the side on the CAD file that you need to install, and once again at your own risk, but it does seem like we may eventually, this is the first time I could ever get Windows Mobile to register to a IP PBX. Thank you for watching.